Hello, I'm Charlie Peet of 4 Pillars Consulting. Consumers are inundated with advertisements for debt relief options. This makes an already difficult situation more confusing. 4 Pillars is the only company who personally meets with consumers to provide information regarding all available options to resolve financial matters. People are often surprised to learn that the nonprofit credit counselors, who advertise a free service, charge a monthly fee in addition to receiving over 70% of their funding from your creditors. With the majority of their funding coming from your creditors, whose interest do you think they represent? At 4 Pillars, we are proud of the high level of customer service that we provide. Our A+ Better Business Bureau rating exemplifies our unwavering commitment to our clients. We are specialists in the debt and credit industry. We help people develop an effective budgeting strategy, negotiate a lower debt, and implement an affordable repayment schedule. We are also the most experienced financial literacy advisors in Canada. With our Clients for Life philosophy, we continue working for you after your debt has been reduced, providing ongoing support and guidance so that you have all the tools required to achieve your financial goals. With our extensive research of the credit and debt system in Canada, we educate, help facilitate, and empower our clients to take control of their financial destiny.